In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to pick the perfect eyewear for you. अगर हम eyewear की बात करें, if we have a prescription, we go with eyeglasses, and if we don't, then we go with sunglasses or we go with both of them. So eyewear को pick करते वक्त कौन से बातों का ध्यान रखना है, I'm going to share all about that in detail in today's video. So let's get started. So either you are getting an eyeglass or a sunglass, eyewear pick करते वक्त तीन बातों का ध्यान रखना है. First is the shape of your face. Second is the shape of the eyewear that you are getting, and third is the color of that eyewear. So point number 1 and point number 2 are interrelated. Different face shapes पर different eye frame shapes suit करता है. So for that, what you can do is first go to the Lenskart app, and there first you wish list all of the products. जो भी eye glasses या फिर sunglasses आपको पसंद आ रहे हैं सभी को wish list कीजिए. Then go to individual product, and with the AI filter mode you can virtually try them on yourself, or you can visit your nearest Lenskart store and there you can physically try the eye frames and the sunglasses. So rectangular, oval and cat eye are three most common and widely available shapes, eye frame shapes. But इनमें से अगर थोड़ा सा हटके आपको कुछ चाहिए, then you must visit the Lenskart app or the Lenskart store near you. Point number 3 is color of your eye frame. Now अगर आपके पास prescription है for your eyes, then you need to get eyeglasses जो कि आपको हर रोज पहनना है. Now अगर आपको हर रोज पहनना है, then you need to pick a color for your eye frame जो कि आपके that will go with most of your outfits. For that, black, shades of grey, shades of brown are good options. But अगर आपको इन colors में से नहीं चाहिए, अगर आपको कुछ हटके लेना है जैसे कि neon या फिर transparent या फिर shades of pastel, then Lenskart has got you. Lenskart पर आपको मतलब out of the box colors मिल जाएंगे, not only for your eye frames but in sunglasses as well. There you will get a lot of different colors that are really eye-catchy. So I think that sums up everything that you need to keep in mind while picking up the next accessory for your eyes. Do visit the Lenskart app or website. वहाँ पर आपको amazing offers, buy one get ones और भी बहुत सारे amazing deals मिल जाएंगे. एंड मैंने अभी जो आई फ्रेम पहन रखा है, दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम लेंसकार्ट. इसका कोड भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी इन केस इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे, एंड आई विल टॉक टू यू गाइस लेटर सून विद अनदर वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय.